पूरे आश्रो पे मंग जो हमारा बतो ही है जोरा बादल सुन कांठड़ो बने मोरा रागो मेहंदा छाना दहरो दी छतना आखा कव्या पतइंदा मंगदी सत मांगू छिरे बगो से छाना जोरा और गुड पंखा लंका गड़ा राज धीरे राठौरो मालो राजस्व नगरों में शब्द.
I'm Alice Morris. I work for Unnati, Organisation for Development Education. Unnati works in Rajasthan and Gujarat on strengthening local governance. Our study is based in Rajasthan and looks at decentralization and women's participation in local governance and its impact on their lives. Rajasthan is a vast desert region, highly prone to droughts. The economy is largely dependent on agriculture and animal husbandry. The major crops in Rajasthan are mustard and bajra, both of which require very little water. In animal husbandry, most families own goats and sheep, and economically better off families, they also keep buffaloes and cows. We found in our study that although the government has been actively trying to build capacities of women through formal training programs, women are not attending these programs because there are a lot of responsibility that they have at the family level. There are multiple responsibilities. Like they take care of children, they take care of their family members. One lady told us that if I am not there, nobody takes care of my buffaloes. So how can I go for trainings? So those opportunities which are provided to the women to enhance their skill, to function better and to make use of the space is not being utilized by the women because of family constraints. We also came to know that distances in Rajasthan are very high. So for women to travel from their village to the central point where the training is imparted is very difficult unless somebody comes with her from her family and takes her to this venue and is with her. She finds it difficult to travel alone. What we see is that women have been able to build primary healthcare centers, schools for girls, creches, but the functioning is not in their hands. Very often it is controlled by powerful men or officials who are placed at a higher level. They have mobilized the fund to set up these systems, but when it comes to the functioning, they have very little control. So what we see in a village is that there are no staff in the creches or schools. The number of staff is limited. They're not open at the right time when the community would like to use it. The healthcare center doesn't function at the time when somebody needs it. In this panchayat meeting which we attended, the woman was facilitating this meeting, and there was another woman elected representative with her, and all the other members were men. The proceedings were going on when this member of the local assembly just came. She was asked to vacate her seat and sit on the side of this MLA, and he just started talking and facilitating, showing his power, and she was feeling so intimidated there, sitting next to him. And he just arrives with a whole lot of policemen and a secretary to assist him. And even while he was talking to the community, he was actually attending a couple of phone calls on the cell phone. And I don't think he was even listening to what they were trying to tell him. He was not listening to what the issues of the village are. By him coming to the village, it has actually disempowered the woman. It has not empowered her. Because for that minute, she lost the space which she was given to be the leader of the community.
मेरा नाम पुष्पा चौधरी, मैं भूतपूर्व सरपंच हूँ। पहला चुनाव मैंने 2000 में लड़ा था। उस टाइम मेरे को बहुत अच्छी जीत हासिल हुई थी। संघर्षपूर्ण मैंने चुनाव लड़ा था। फिर चुनावों में मैंने बहुत अच्छे काम किए थे। महिलाओं के लिए आंगनवाड़ी बनवाना, उनके लिए शिक्षा का और बालिकाओं पर शिक्षा का जोर दिया था। जो पुरुष दारू पीकर महिलाओं को तंग करते थे, तो मैंने शराब के लिए भी पाबंद किया था उनको। तो उस टाइम बहुत महिलाओं को चैन मिल गई थी मेरे टाइम में। फिर बाद में मैंने दूसरा चुनाव और लड़ा था, उस चुनाव में मैं हार गई थी, क्योंकि हार का कारण यही था कि मैं महिलाओं को और बालिकाओं के ऊपर ज़्यादा जोर दिया, ये पुरुषों को पसंद नहीं था।